It's a day in the life of DC.
Hi guys.
Subscribe and join the family.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DC and you're watching the life of DC. So in today's video, as we all know, Easter's coming up, so I wanted to create some Easter baskets. So I'm actually going to make some kid-friendly Easter baskets. I'm going to make 3 of them. So I'm making 2 for 2 3-year-olds. One is a girl, one is a boy, and then the other one I'm making for a boy who's about 9 years old. So everything that I purchased is from Dollar Tree, so it's $1. I think I spent about $57. You might as well say $20 a basket, which I think is pretty good. And I got good stuff for them to learn, stuff to have fun. If you're interested, keep watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit the thumbs up so I know that you're liking the content, as well as hit that notification button so you can be notified every time I upload. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so this is the stuff that I purchased. Like I said, from Dollar Tree, everything is $1. And that includes the buckets, the candy, the items that's going inside, as well as the bags that you would use. And that also includes the bags that you use to wrap up the basket. So this is what I have so far. It's really nice. Let's see, got quite a bit of stuff. Like I said, ranged about $57. But if we round up, we'll just say that's about $20 each basket, which I think is not bad. Show you guys how to make a affordable basket for either your kids, or if you want to give it as a gift to somebody, or if you want to do it for an event. This is something you can do that's very inexpensive, but you can get nice things. Like I said, if you hunt around Dollar Tree, you can find a lot of nice things that maybe. Okay, hi guys, so we're gonna get started. Right now I'm gonna do the older kids basket. Like I said, he is 9. They did have a lot of different bins, like baskets and stuff that you can get, but it was kind of hard to find one that you could fit all the things, the items in it. So they did have some cool baskets like this one. Like this is a football. They had one that was like a that was basketball, like a rim. I really like that, but it was so tiny that I wouldn't be able to fit all this stuff in it, so that's why I opted for the bucket. However, if you make it for younger kids where the items may not be as big, then you can do that. So hopefully you guys can see me. Okay, so we're gonna use the Easter grass first to fill the bottom. Okay. I bought 3 packs, so I guess I could probably use it all. I guess I could use it all. Okay, so first I just put the Easter grass, if you can see that. Focus. The Easter wood shops. Let me give you a better angle. Bought some of these wood shops. I think these are pretty cool. This one is a fighter plane, and then I got another one that is a racer car. So little things, little projects for you to do. And again, everything was $1. And then, like I said, the brain buster cards. This one is about the environment. These are like trivia questions. This one is about space. Then we got this. It's another brain teaser. Then we got this. It's another brain teaser that they have for $1. And I got a puzzle of Batman. I know that he likes word puzzles, so I got a word puzzle. I got this basketball, little toy basketball thing where you can shoot it and play with it. I'm gonna give him one of these 90s coloring books. Again, it's $1, so just ignore that $5. But it's a 90s coloring book. And then I also got this little darts game for him. And then I also found these little Easter eggs, but they look like a baseball, a soccer ball, a basketball, and a football. I thought these were cute for a little boy. So I'm gonna show you me arranging everything. You also have to be mindful if you are making it for other people's kids that some kids have allergies. So in this case, two of the kids, well, one of the kids just doesn't prefer or doesn't like chocolate, and then the other kid is allergic. So with that said, all the candy that I purchased are like gummy things, like dots. And then we have Starburst, and then we have Skittles. And then I also bought some suckers. So these are all things that doesn't have any chocolate, shouldn't have any peanuts or anything in it, that I thought would work. So, I thought these were so cute. Bruh, why am I struggling with this egg, y'all? This is so crazy. Maybe we're supposed to tear this off. Uh-oh. I don't know about these eggs. They don't stay together. I'm about to say, there we go, but no, they don't. They're cute, but they don't stay together. Okay, so these I might have to, oh, there we go. Okay. These are so cute. Okay, so the good thing about Starburst, they are individually wrapped, so you can open this up and put them in the container, so that's good. That's what I thought about with these. Now the dots are not, and then of course this Skittle egg is already in the egg, so you can put that in there. Starbursts are individually wrapped, so I'm gonna open these up. I'm gonna toss those in. I'm gonna put them all over the basket. Now, we have some suckers. And then I was thinking I might could put the dots in the eggs, or maybe I'll just keep the eggs for decoration purposes only. I don't know, because I know these are not individually wrapped. Some suckers. Didn't want to do a whole lot of candy because, you know, these are kids, you know, the kids bouncing off the walls. What the basket is looking like. So these bags come with the twist ties, just so you can see from the dollar store. That's what it has. So I'm gonna put the basket inside of the bag. Okay, so I'm gonna put the other items inside that I don't want to bend up. Take this out. Then you're just gonna tie it up like so. Tape up the sides because I don't like the way it looks, but this is what it looks like so far. I might tape up these sides just so it looks a little neater. I think that's what I'm gonna do, tape up the sides so it looks more put together, because he's going to like this one. Has a lot of nice things in it for him to play with, and has some candy because he doesn't like chocolate. So like I said, everything I got was like gummy bears, Skittles, stuff like that. So it's no chocolate, no peanuts whatsoever. So all right, let's keep it going. Sorry about the bad angles. I just want you guys to be able to see me actually making the basket. So sorry if you can't see me in some of the clips. So the next one we're gonna make is actually for the 3-year-old. So obviously the needs for a 3-year-old is much different. The candy is the same throughout all three baskets. I'm gonna utilize the same candy for each one. So let me show you what I got for the 3-year-old. So we got the 3 card games. So it's the matching game, which is 1, 2, 3s, the puzzle game, and then it's the sight words game. So I thought this was cute. You can see the back. So you match those. And again, these are things obviously that they would do with their parents, but things to learn. And then we got this is pre-K / kindergarten. We have flashcards for colors. We have flashcards for numbers. We have flashcards for first words. And then I found some other books that does the same thing, like numbers, just so you see what it looks like inside, things like that. So it has pictures, you know, stuff to keep their attention. And it's one for spring. And this is like what the spring has. Daisies, ladybug. I'll shoot so you can see me. So daisy, ladybug. And then this one also had a numbers one. So I thought these were fun that you can look at with the kids. And then I got another one. This one was toys, like a doll, and those are what, blocks. Thought that was cute, something you can do. Then I did get this. This was a Etch-a-Sketch. Yeah, Etch-a-Sketch. Thought this was cute. Got this from the dollar store. It's mini. Since he's 3, to give him something to draw on, you know. Thought that was cute. And then this other thing, oh, I got him also a car, a little truck, and I got like a little football. And then this other thing I got that I'm putting in the basket is not necessarily for the kid directly, but more so for the parents. I saw this at the dollar store, handle wrap. So as you can see for the cart, when you take them out to the grocery store or whatever, you can use this on the cart. So I don't know at this point if people are putting their kids in the cart still, but if you are, of course you wipe it down as always, but also you can put this on the handles, because as you know with kids, they're always touching stuff, putting it in their mouth. They might even put their mouth on the handlebar. So you have this, you can see. So I thought that was really great. All right, so let's get started on making this basket. I'm probably gonna put some tape on it just to make it look a little bit neater, but that's what we have so far before me putting the tape on it. So let's get to our third basket. our third and final basket. And again, this is for a 3-year-old girl. So for hers, it's a little different. I actually have 2 baskets only because she likes, you know, princesses, and she wants to be a princess, so that's why I got 2, but we'll see which one works out. So I also got the handle wrap, and I didn't even pay attention that this is a different color, so I actually got the handle wrap. Same thing, I thought would be good. For these, I got these cards, Old Maid, matching, and Goldfish. Now right now she might be too young for this, but if you can see on the back, like it shows you painter, firefighter, so you can still utilize these and just, you know, show her the pictures with the words, so she can, you know, start learning and associating things. I got her a princess crown because, like I said, she likes princess. I got her these bracelets that I thought were cute. So this was the bucket that I got because it's a princess, but you can see it's so tiny, so I didn't know if it would fit everything. Then I also got the same Etch a Sketch with just girly colors. I also got the same cards, the numbers, the colors, and the first words. And then I got a Cinderella book for her. I got some different eggs, some more girlier eggs for her basket. And then I also got these books as well. So this is Forest Animals, so just so you can see, you know, shows you a picture and the word. Got the Transportation, so this shows you different things, pictures and the word. The same one for spring, and then I saw they had one for clothes, so I got her clothes. And then again, shows a picture and the word. But that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them below. Like I said, I purchased everything from Dollar Tree, my local Dollar Tree. So like I said, roughly it was about $20 each basket. If you give or take, if you split it, you know, between 3, I think it was total, like I said, $57 for all of the items that I purchased. So roughly, like I said, $20 a basket, which I think is not bad. I think these are good baskets. I think each kid, because I made the basket individually for each kid, I think each kid will enjoy the basket. So again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you thumbs up this video, make sure you share it, and also make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of the Easter theme, Easter baskets. I hope it was very helpful for you. Hopefully you share it with your friends and family. And if you tried this out, leave me a comment below. And also, because I would love to see it. If you have pictures, I would love to see it. You can tag me in them on my Instagram, which my Instagram is DC313. So if you do make a basket, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your basket and your creativity. So keep watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.